very the full Samson in Kurasisem we are the papers are browse why
Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa search ni ebusuafo ni pe okase wo frame no Dr. Cash or journalist odini djuma ewo Otec FM ono na o host Dwabrim political talk show every evening bia na Dr. Cash don kasa say you I feel to say adena meno just say abroad so Dr. Cash say ya bodamo say ye Jimmy Ghana politicians ne fa wo mo adwe Dr. Cash had den okasa so almost say excavator bi say you excavator yi kwan say ne sika omo de repair no ebetimi ata excavator be na me say Ghana ha no me say adenti na ye mo ne kadi ko gina Jubilee House for Flagstaff House wo enye NDC fu nko awo NPP fu nso because he says John Dramani Mahama at the contract as should be in Sao e do na dwa wado onema lodi no mo ada e drum no rest e dwen Ghana ho na appointees no ministers na DCs na MPs no omo nipa boni omo de go amanyi mu no nyenzi o na memi ti se Radi Yankopon yesre wo sa denti na se nkofu wo wundi omo hu dwuma maye se woti omanyi mu omo appoint as penny e de dwuma di ahye wonsa Excavator say sika na wo de be repair no wo betimi de ato ambulance furnace excavator ni bi sa den
Assembly or has say a time is coming when the youth begin to rise politicians will run away share ebedru baby ahun politician na presidential candidate pa ye hu say wo assess hospital ha ka bibia ye nto abakra no fama yeah. Oh yes, adenti na wo se wonim se ye health facilities na wo han eya. Adenti na politicians no me travel free ha. E di o mani kire abrochire. Oyare ya na na supreme hwi South Africa no ko. Oko surgery ni spinal cord ne ha na hwi America no ko ne akoye no aba because o munim se ye facilities na wo han enye papa. Correct bia nim ye facilities ni correct they will stay here for surgery.
No ma sanya that's ne twa beto social media di huru Ghana for.
Nonsense.
So I say, what's in your audacity? Udim brother Mahama.
Are you afraid I'm hearing you scream?
I tell us for the coffee. One of the cover new or no. So
military installation.
Dr. Cass, go bush.
Bush way.
Honorable Frankie Bois and Apoyando and asking you who the
go bush. Hey.
Brother Mahama, why mama papa?
We had an opposition cry. Opposition cry. But me, I'm going beyond opposition cry. But just because I do
front and back.
A project a year baby Ghana. No more is a project where ye after a day ye kama you know military force or healthcare said yet here. A ye kejua obianim obiajo mudi. Hospital mo ye wia one no free gods so here chi obia beba hobi. Ebe easy pressure na o confirm no che no na just asem na me kan no kra no wan fa no rodori adasem mo me ka so mu yi agenda 111 baako emfanye dialysis center no so msi akọ ti o yididi say me photo mfam ba ho
David emfa
2028 me photo mfam ma ho
emfa ni do
Ize ni no so ni bre no so ko ni abre no wa de marriage for ko
ya so man so mesi o mo
alamu so ko bubu dan no o say issue we ba na say be topical point say ni e ka ho asema you see the mindset of Ghanaians say sabe so man you serious so what you say
no man is
na to go in parliament say omo kwa ko hospital the TB o ma o so ye no mu ngrem
na kwa mi na ye serious an ko man excavator drip machine excavator asai ye de ko ye kwan sika ye de ko repair excavator no etumi to excavator foforo are we normal
dam Dr. Cash dam
sika ye de service excavator no etumi to excavator foforo
dam
it is on himself was car better for friend to for friend na we see
o say the part where to person o kire say the da asan abo no so kwa akoso na da asan ra na say obeji the 4 million na da asan 2 million obeto obekoso repair da asan
repair full Samson in Kurasisem o wi asan the papers are brew say why
wie na asase na ko susu fidie no asase so be na ntwie ja fidie no kwere wo na ntwie
yɛte ha CEOs ni bi yɛyɛ ayɛsi politi na nya politicians nkwa ɛna di nyamu asɛm no technocrats no so ka ho me say hwɛ auditor general report yɛkase yɛtena afifi auditor general report mu a wobɛdwane CEO to me judge belt hook allowance
so ba ro so ala de kwere obi sa belt hook
yɛnto aso asɛm ni bi abufu
pa
mu wi amaso tax aguni paso
da ko munya ma na yenye no all play
on me dia me so me point ni ba kwa me de ba ni say minority ko no omuko ho no obi ankasa ne boni mu na emo omo ko no anyenye bia omo bo obanyi bia no ho ba se ye ba ho what you say say ni obi asori obetimi akọ no akọka say me ye nipa space ntibi ma mi nwam what dey me chia say enti na ho na ye mansini e wo aban krache panyi wo ho no anya hwem na hye badwani wo ho no wo kuma na fa
kwagu de o kedi amfa dabi ayo moduma omunim because aban krache panyi na okofre no fra ono e dissect chairman okofre hwan okofre ma na konkran because e minority nti o meka se dabi
me see ko gina ho no before
aseme na okay mala mi sati wonim
on the soldier for na so mo buy
one na kwan say
minority for brand no be about the same thing
I am me concept so
you should know better
inti na me na pese be ka say amampanimfo na amugu amembu no insu toy na mo ehu ade chenzu ma hu say from afo inti ne ye ka bebrebe mahama wo so won tin say what's what appointee bi wo appointee bi sika ode ekwa ebe repair excavator no odi tofoforo kwa akeye ana betumi ato excavator no be tu papa mpacha wo nte nti ntema na wayi ni pako na di se ne be ya wa membu na ho bete de bia meka say his excellency John Ram the former president Akromfuo ado nka so ye perfect when diga na sika ebo ndu obewu odiga na sika ni na mom de na do ne di nkodu ya Ghana fo na chese omunya ya nkom betwa gya ato ni mu na ye ne appointees no chese krono Ghana fo politicians e fa krono omutumi bokron na krono ni su fe omutumi bokron ana Samedi amfi mal e gold board CEO she dollar otwe woni ka modi che ye koka ya na mo akanya no atum because Samedi amfi a darling boy de my NDC Samedi amfi a darling boy de my Ghana because 2024 na MPP fu ho aye hi nti NDC fu wodi bum koto abama o mo no mo ba endu ba bia no anka wo abofro mo de what to go da no utumi kotwe ucheska Ghana ha ye dollars and ye cedis utumi twe dollars almost nkofo 6 Samedi amfi ska no che no $3,000 na de dabi ska Samedi amfi kan ye be 1,500 me de mehu kan video no ko hwe na hwe de bio e de mani pa ba ko so onje in public Samedi amfi to me $1,500 de che na Samedi amfi wo ya wo papa ne Bill Gates kwa wo betimi discover ya che seconds Samedi amfi wo position na Samedi amfi so on kaso asa oya bofra papa seske Samedi amfi di che yi nti se obroni ni kroma e na omo appoint Samedi amfi as CEO a e na Samedi amfi ko gina public chase kan ko obroni be kasa on kura ne position no nti amampani fo ya mo na mo na yedi mo atam no ode ade asobi ni nsa so onye sika twitwi digala fo politicians mo ya Akromfuo papa na mo ya Akromfuo emi so betua moka wo be wia Ghana sika diga omo di sika be ma say jena fa koya de na matimamfo no ho ntomo a obedi no na mbetua woka ade na mo ye nipa bonefo sa
Akromfuo, who is minority spokesperson on the economy. I'm grateful to you, sir, for joining us. Now, you are someone who really have followed this economy and how it's performing. The argument that the loss the Bank of Ghana has incurred is the cost of stabilizing the economy, which is making people comfortable. Isn't that a cost that should justify, or an expense that should justify the loss?
Kojo, good evening to you and to your listeners. I want to start by making the point that you have played extensively what the majority has said at their press conference. I pray that you give the minority equal amount of time to respond before we get into any debate. First, I need you to clarify for me, has Joy News cited the Bank of Ghana accounts as published?
No, we haven't cited it.
So what has happened is that the Bank of Ghana accounts have not been published, but the majority has been invited to do a press conference, ostensibly to try and shape people's minds before the accounts themselves are published. That should tell you that they are in an exercise of propaganda and PR, trying to hide the real facts from the Ghanaian people. What is happening is that yesterday's whistleblowers have become today's defenders. The cosmetics with which they've been managing things are beginning to wear off. And what is left now is a government side that is defending the things that they complained about when they were in opposition. Now, in 2023, the Bank of Ghana made a loss of 10 billion Ghana cedis. Today's majority, the then minority, were those who, among other things, went on demonstration, calling for the head of Governor Addison at the time, calling on him to resign, I think if I recall correctly, within 21 days. And later, the then candidate who became president said that and other practices in the economy amounted to criminal mismanagement of the economy. I'm quoting his words. Today, they have made a loss of 15 billion Ghana cedis after they promised Ghanaians to give them power, they will do better. They've made a loss of 15 billion Ghana cedis. And instead of releasing the accounts so that everybody can read, they choose to hide the accounts and get the majority to do a press conference to spin it and try to explain it away. Now, you will recall that a number of things happened during the year. One, the minority kept drawing attention to the method that this government was using in its attempt to achieve a certain inflation number. They wanted to achieve a number and show to Ghanaians that they have done better. So they adopted a measure called sterilization, heavy sterilization. We have been speaking about it from 2025, and at a point they were even insulting our intelligence that we don't understand economics. And we kept saying that the extent of the sterilization they were doing will amount to huge costs on the Bank of Ghana. And that if they continue with sterilization, they can even achieve inflation of 0%. But the cost on the Bank of Ghana will be unbearable, and it did not also mean that the cost of living was going to go down. They rejected our argument, literally called us names, only today to turn around and say that the sterilization through open market operations is one of the largest contributors to their loss. You will recall again that we warned that the change in gold purchase policy from buying from the large-scale miners to now using the gold board was incurring